Believe it's radio. Hey yo, welcome back again, man, to Believers Records, the show where we drop heat every 4 times of the week, the place where magic begins. So, guys, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking you through this 808 MAFIA SOUTHSIDE trap drum kit download. It's crazy, man. Y'all know how we do it here in Believers Records. We always kill it. So this drum kit actually comes with a bonus today. I'm giving you guys a bonus. So once you actually download the kit, you'll be in a position to get this free and amazing FLP. It's actually the beat that you can hear playing in the background. So you guys can get the FLP, maybe learn from it, remix it, finish it, as long as it helps you, move a step further. So and it's free. I know you guys, a lot of guys out here, you don't like to hear anything that has to do with money. So there goes. So once you actually download the kit, you'll be in a position to get this amazing free FLP. So without wasting any more time, let's go ahead and listen to that FLP before I actually show you guys the drum kit. So before we do that, I would like to give you that daily reminder. You guys know what you got to do. Just go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It surely does help us a lot. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I drop you some heat. And also, if you like this video, you can go ahead and give it a thumbs up. So let's go ahead and listen to that FLP. Believers Radio. So I wasn't gonna play the whole thing. So you guys, once you actually get the kit, you can listen to it yourself. Just go through it, go through the FLP. Maybe learn something. I'm not gonna go through the whole thing and show you show you guys what I did. So let me just show you a little bit. So there's this compressor that I put on the Vox that you can hear in the back. It's like a choir or something. And then I did some EQing on the piano, and then I routed it a little bit here to here. Then there's this AP compressor. I did some things to it. You can go ahead and check it out for yourself once you actually get it. And a lot of things, man. I don't think I'm actually gonna go through this. So once you actually get the free FLP, man, just you can go through this, and just see what happened there. So yeah, that's it. So now that we're actually done with this, I would like to open a new template. All right, let's go ahead and load up Triton. All right. So I want to show you guys the midis in the kit. So I'm gonna play the midis right now. So I'm gonna be using this. What is it called? By Triton. Where is it? What am I saying? All right. So let's go ahead and load up the first MIDI. So to be fair, let me just use a BPM of 80 just to be, yep. So let's listen to the MIDIs. All right, the second MIDI. All right, the third MIDI. So yeah, so that's it for the midis, man. So let's go ahead and check out the rest of the stuff. So I'm gonna start from down here as always. The snares going up. So yeah, that's it. That's it for the sauce, man. That's it for the sauce, bro. So yeah, so there's a lot of things in here. There's an FLP, there's a kit, a lot of things for you to actually, play around with and actually, build yourself as a producer. So I hope this whole project, just helps you, man. So I'm doing this for y'all. I'm not doing this for myself. So, and I keep saying, man, if you guys have any suggestions about what you guys would like to see on this channel, just let me know in the comments down below and I'll deliver. And I do offer mixing and mastering services. So if you guys are down for that, just hit me up my number and we'll talk. So yeah, that's it, man. So enjoy the kit, the FLP, make crazy banging beats with this. And I'm going to see you on the next one. Goodbye. Stay safe. Namaste.